Hey guys, how are you today? I hope everyone's had a good day. We're going to get rolling with this. This is Eureka Math Squared, second grade, Module 5. I hope that Module 4 test went well. I hope that review helped. If the review helped you out, help me out. Hit that subscribe button. Let's see if we can get the word out to some more people. All right, so we're starting with Module 5 today, Lesson 1. I am Mr. Short. Let's look at this one. Today you are lucky. It is one problem. Page 7, there's nothing on page 8, just page 7. So it says add, show how you know. All right, so we have 267 plus 390. So a couple ways we could do this. We can make some friendly numbers, which I'm going to show you a couple different ways. Let's do that. We're going to do this a couple different ways today. First, we're going to do it the time proven, always works, takes the longer, but it works way. All right. So we're going to do it this way. Let's put our 200s, 6 10s, 7 1s. Then we're going to put 300s, 9 10s, and 0 1s. Now we just add this up and count the total. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 1s. Let's count our 10s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 16. I'm off by 1. 16. So we can only have at the most 9 here. So we need to get rid of 10, right? Because 10 would go over. So let's get rid of 10. So let's just go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Put a circle around those and draw an arrow. Like I said, I make this one darker. So I remember I brought it over. Now let's see what I have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Is that right? I got rid of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 left. 5 there. And then if I count, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hundredths. So I got 657 there. All right. Now, let's do this a different way. We're going to take 390 plus 267. Yes, this almost looks like I'm going to do it the OPM way, the old person math or standard algorithm, but I'm not. I want to make this into the next 10, a nice round 10. So if we count by tens, what comes after 90? 100. So I'm going to add 10 here. I'm going to take 10 away here. Trust me, this will make sense. If I add 10 to 390, I have 400. If I take 10 away from 267, well, I'm not taking any ones away. I'm just taking 1 10 away. So that's going to be a 5 and still the 2. Now, if I add this, look at how nice. I got zeros up here. So I have 0 plus 7 is 7. 0 plus 5 is 5. And then 4 plus 2 is 6. 657. Look at just like I got there, 657. If you want to do it the way that I grew up doing it, the standard algorithm, we're about 390. I always put the bigger number on top of them. Adding 267. Add it. Make sure we stay nice and neat. 0 plus 7 is 7. 9 plus 6. That's 9 plus 6. 15. 5 there. Bring that 1 up. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. All right. So let's zoom out a tiny bit. We did it 3 different ways. This way takes a little longer. We're always going to get it right. Okay. This way, this is the give-take method when we're adding. Takes a little time to get used to it, but once you get used to it, it's a little quicker than this. This is the way I learned. A lot of your parents learned. A lot of the other adults learned. This way works. They're just more moving parts when we have to carry stuff and over. But overall, if you can do it one of these ways consistently and get it right, you don't have to worry. All right, guys, this one was quick and easy today. One problem, just one, number 1 for Module 5, Lesson 1 for Eureka Math Squared. I'm Mr. Short, and I hope, as always, you have a good night.